Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Founder YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss one of the most important subjects in ECE and EEE branches. Well known, the subject name is network theory. So the network theory is also called as circuit theory, circuit analysis, network analysis. Maybe some call it this type of names. Okay, like or now. Generally, most of the students think this subject is only for exams. This no not actually it is not for only exams. It is a foundation subject for EC and EEE students, because this is the foundation for what means like core interviews, gate preparation, electronic observation, electrical systems, control systems, communication circuits, VLSA basics, embedded system hardware. So well, like here we can check that. You can see that. I will show you. Oh, no, right, okay, fine. Here the network theory, while coming to know that what is mean by network theory. See, the network theory is none like the network theory is mainly it's a study of electrical circuits and how the voltage and current behave inside a network. Basically what a network contains, basically the network contains a resistor, capacitor, voltages, capacitors, inductors. These are the basic components which a network considers. This is what happened. Okay. So while coming to, you may have doubt why the network theory is important. Because while coming to why network theory is important, network theory is a basic subject for core industry, for not for only core industry, core jobs. Like any exam you may write in a while comparing to core domain, it is a basic subject. You can get uh, you can get 3 to 5 questions from this subject easily. So this subject is going to involve in analog electronics, power systems. I have recently said no. In these all subjects, we can enter this topic. See, here the main is without major part is without understanding network theory, you can't understand advanced topics. It may feel difficult without understanding network theory. You can't handle while upcoming topics. This is the main drawback is here. So you should need to learn this topic very, very, very confidently, very, very clearly. Like here the real use of network theory, we can see that network theory teaches us how elements, how electricity behaves, how circuit design, how the circuit is going to design, how electrons, how electronics, how electronic circuits are going to designed. See, most of the core companies starts the questions from asking this basic subject. While you can get to like core domains in VLSI, whatever may be the role RF, DFT, like any role you can select. The basic question from circuit theory or network analysis, you may call anything else. Here the circuit, here the main questions come from. See, why companies ask this subject? Why companies ask this subject? While coming to why they were asking means, companies do not only checks your marks and your grades. See, company first mainly check there how you think, like what's the problem solving analogy, whether your basics are strong or not in a core domain in this core subject, whether your basics are strong or not, whether you understand circuit analysis or not, how you're going to deal with circuits. Okay, cause if your basics are weak, you cannot solve real engineering problems. So network theory is main concept to understand to furtherly move with another subjects. These are all concepts when network theory contains. And then once again, I'm going to say that network theory is a basic foundation subject. That's it. Okay. So right now, while going to study in a sem exams question theory, while coming to some other companies like core companies, they may ask questions like this question, these like, and they can go far like more difficult or moderate or simple like find v1 v2. You can observe where you can easily do that for writing case equations. You can get the answer, right? Okay. See, while coming to important topics in network theory, in your regulation, what are maybe the subject have syllabus? Okay, very good. That's only they're going to they're the main topic. Okay, very good. These are the main concept we should need to focus. Like I will show you right now. See, while coming to network theory gate preparation, if you prepare for gate exam in the might in the proof of network theory subject, you can cover all basics which deals with network theory. You may see there all such basic concept there you can 100% covered. You no need to worry about what happens after I have studied this subject, but I can't handle it. You should no need about that doubt. Once you completed this subject with a 100% concepts, 100% concepts, and practice and PYQs, get PYQs, you damn sure you can get 8 to 12 marks easily from this subject based on the weightage. See, this is the I will show here. This is the okay, sorry. That is oh sorry. That is the uh, uh, concepts what the gate exam is going to conduct. What is the main concept you should need to focus? See, in some VLSI implications, see, most of the students are going to neglect some concepts in circuit theory. While I will say that what is mean with that. Some of questions, some of concepts like a transient analysis. Most of the students are going to neglect that concept in gate preparation. In while coming to SEM exams also, mostly they'll take choice by taking first order derivative, second order derivative. They prepare one order derivative. While good, okay. But while coming to reality, in our VLSI prepare, if we choose code domain as VLSI and that roles, every every network analysis basic question starts from transient analysis, maybe 80 to 90%. So you should need to focus on transient analysis. So you do not take choice as a transient analysis. You must study the transient analysis in network theory. It's a basic subject because you are going to ask uh, many number of questions from network theory from the topic, because the transient analysis is going to cover all your basic, all your concept what you have studied front of transient analysis. Because while you're solving transient analysis problems, you can cover theorems, Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorems, reciprocity, substitution, what it may be, all theorems you are going to cover, KCL, KVL, LAS, and while AC analysis, DC analysis, you know they're very well in a network theory two parts. You can cover all there. Okay, so it's a basic to learn network theory, and you should not take choice transient analysis in network theory. It's the main concept in that subject. See, if you now I'm going to just show a one VLS entry question. What they ask: why does a capacitor behave like open circuit and short circuit? This question belongs to transient analysis concept, like RLRC circuit concept. No. See, why does they was asked why does a capacitor behave like a open circuit? And see, when a capacitor not in generally, the true nature of capacitor, true nature, no one use this word, but I'm just taking an example. True nature of capacitor is what? It's an open circuit. When it will be open circuit? See, the voltage is constant and no current enters. Then it is open circuit. When it will be short circuit, the voltage may be changed as per the current behaves, capacitor current behaves, voltage may be changes and then current flows into it, then it behaves like a short circuit. This is what the answer of this question. Might they be will ask as per MCQ, as per saying in technical or writing as they wish. This is the basic. And you know that there is a basic question, sir. If you all land and move to interview, you have completed written test and your technical round, you have completed all questions, and might be a last question. They are going to ask such basic. What is the a voltage in a battery? So you should need to focus basic also. It might be a 1.5 volts, right? I think 1.5 volts. So it is the main. You should need to focus on basic and subjects. If you cover this subject very well with all in depth basic, you can get 8 to 12 marks and get based on the weightage of the subject, and you can cover VLSI interview attend on this subject. You can cover very well. So this way you should not neglect this subject, and mainly a transient analysis in that subject, in this subject. And next so this is what I'm going to tell about this network theory. So if you have any queries belong to this, you can message me at comments or anything else personal at Instagram DM. Thank you all.